and I'm getting quite a bit often from my friends who are travel overseas, and he just come back from France, and I just couldn't hold myself this time. And I decided for very first time to share with you what I got this time. Every time it's something different, and every time it's something good, because everyone knows I love good food, and I'm getting some weird stuff from different parts of the world. Today it doesn't seem like so much weird, right? Good cheese from France, blue cheese, Roquefort, and I cannot wait to try. I got some good beans, two different kinds. I'm going to make some French stew with mushroom, beans, and beef. It's going to be delicious. Also, you know, we are a big fan of cut liver. Cut liver, it's something what my matrona eats pretty much daily. This is smoked cut liver. Have you ever tried smoked cut liver? And look at this. It's a pate from wild pig. Boar? Matrona and I, we love pate. When she was a tiny baby, 9 months, we traveled to Maine, and baby food, usually people have that squeezy stuff and fruity fruit, and I travel with something like that, and she can eat with a spoon, no choking for baby, but I know she eats fat, I know she eats protein, and it's much more filling than a blueberry or apple puree, right? Another thing I got is lavender honey. It just, oh yes, it smells so good. Lavender honey, a while ago, my friend from Mexico brought to me, and oh my gosh, it was so good. Another thing, it's good olive oil. Believe it or not, but France is very famous for olive oil as well. And my friend went on long 20 miles bike ride, and he saw so many olive trees. It's amazing. Also, high fat, which is much more fatter than heavy cream in America, and they put in a coffee, not half and half like here people do, but super heavy cream, super fat. No lactose whatsoever, fat, only no sugar left. So for people who in keto diet, I think this is a paradise for them, that kind of cream in your coffee, right? But the most surprising thing, maybe for you, not for me anymore, if you travel overseas with this. Have you ever tried? Have you ever tried travel with garlic? One time he brought me topinambar. He flew with topinambar. All this other stuff that I cannot buy here in Beaufort locally. It's amazing. I just so appreciate and so much love this. Actually, small selection of cheese, only one, but usually he brings a lot more. And I'm just going to enjoy.